Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add bold in your text using Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a homepage of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see this Create a Design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now on the left side, you can see different options here. Click on text and click on add a text box. Now type in the text. Now simply select this text, and here on the top navigation bar, you can see this B alphabet. Click on it and here it will bold your text, and these are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to add bold on your text using Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.